Hi, Kate here in my garage, and I'm going to show you today how to change the oil in your vehicle. So first things first, you're going to want to get it out on the road at a good pace for about 20 minutes. This is just to ensure that the engine heats up and the old oil drains out efficiently. So let's get started.
Alright, so this is a snapshot of what you're going to need to change the oil. You're going to need your ramps to get your car up onto. I like to have a towel, an old towel that I can lie on so I'm not on the garage floor. And then also your oil pan, which is going to be used to drain all your old oil. And then you're also going to need a wrench to take off the bolt for the oil pan, and a wrench, an oil filter wrench specific to your car to take off the old filter, replaced with a new filter. And then of course I like having a funnel when I'm putting the new oil into the car. So let's get started. You're going to want to make sure that your wheels are aligned and they're straight, okay? So when you drive up onto the ramp, it doesn't fall off the side. So now I've got the car up on the ramp. My parking brake is on, everything's secure. If you want, you can put some bricks behind the rear wheels if it makes you feel more comfortable. And the next step is for me to go under the car, and I'm going to take off the oil pan bolt. That first one can be a doozy. So I removed the bolt and now it's just draining, so I'm gonna step away for a bit and wait until there's nothing coming out of the engine. The next step is to take off the oil filter. So I'm using an oil filter wrench. This is specific to my vehicle. And there we go. So that's what my oil filter looks like. Okay, so you're going to take the old filter off, put that aside, and then you've got your new filter. Put this in place. Make sure that's snug. Okay, I've got my new filter in place, and we're going to just make sure it's on level, obviously. And then okay, filter is done. Back to under the car and putting the bolt back in. Alright, so I'm putting the new oil into the engine now. If you have any questions on what kind of oil your car requires, you can find it in your manual, or you can look it up at your auto parts store just by the make, year, and model of your car. It'll also tell you how much to put in. Before you take it off the ramps, I suggest just checking to make sure that nothing's leaking when you turn your engine on and everything's been bolted back up. I'm good, so I'm going to take it off the ramps.
So we're all done now. Just remember to make sure that you're using the right oil and filter for your vehicle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found the video helpful.